Hi all, on this video I am going to explain how we can easily make veg khichdi at home.
So the ingredients needed for this are 4 to 5 green chili, 1 big size onion, 4 to 5 beans, 1 big size potato, 2 to 3 tomatoes, fresh peas because it's the season, and 1 bunch of coriander. So around 2 to 4 spoons of oil. I have added 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Then I'm adding jeera to it, and instead of adding a garam masala powder, I'm going to add 3 to 4 cloves and a cinnamon stick, and that would bring in the taste of the biryani kind of taste. And half a bowl of chana dal. It always tastes good when you add chana dal to it. Now I'm adding onion, green chilies, and let's fry them a little bit, and then go on to add the remaining ingredients, which are the vegetables. So at my home I actually had only potato and beans at this moment, so I added them. But if you want, you can as well add brinjal, you can add soya chunks, you can add makhana. So all these things will bring about the taste into this khichdi. So it's like a mixed veg khichdi, right? So yeah, let's fry these vegetables a bit, and then I'm going to add a ginger garlic paste. This paste is freshly ground, so it really smells good after you add the ginger garlic paste. And then I'm going to add the tomatoes. So all these ingredients are for like 2 glasses of rice, right? So you're going to take the water and the rice in 2:1 ratio. So yeah, let's fry them a bit, and then add water to it. And yeah, before adding water, let's add the salt, the most important taste maker. So yeah, add salt to it, mix it properly, and then add rice and water to this mixture. Yeah, so because I'm using the cooker, let at least 2 to 3 whistles come on, and yeah, then the khichdi is ready to be served. There you go, the khichdi is ready. Fine grained and tasty khichdi when you really don't feel like eating anything.